County in southeastern Texas, Grimes County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Brazos County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Washington County in southeastern Texas, west central Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Waller County in southeastern Texas, until 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Milliken, or 9 miles north of Navasota, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Southeastern College Station, Navasota, Washington, Snook, Milliken, Anderson, Plantersville, Wellborn, Roans Prairie, Carlos, and Dacus. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.